Hello, in this video I am going to discuss about a new topic called power of a lens. As we can see, here is a diagram representing a lens. This is a lens, and this diagram has been taken from NCERT textbook. Okay, this diagram taken from NCERT textbook. You can follow this diagram from the book also. Okay, so what do you mean by power of a lens? So power of a lens is a measure of convergence or divergence of a lens. So if you define power of a lens, power of a lens is a measure of convergence or divergence of a lens. Divergence of light falling on the lens. So it is a measure of convergence for convex lens or divergence for concave lens for the light falling on the lens. Okay, shorter focal length will have more convergence or divergence. Okay, so here in this diagram we can see, for example, light is coming in this direction. This is a convex lens. Okay, this is a convex lens. So light is coming in this direction and it is getting converged or undergoing convergence like this. Okay, in this direction it is undergoing convergence. Let this light makes an angle delta. Okay, this is the straight line and this is the angle, okay, made by the light. Okay, with its original direction. This was the original direction of the light and it is getting converged in this direction and it makes an angle delta. Okay, so here delta is the angle between the incident light and the converged light. Okay, and this convergence is done by the lens. So from this figure, what you can see, if you take tan delta, for example, in this figure, for example, this is A, this is F. Okay, here F is the focal length, F is the focal length of the lens. Okay, so if you see from the figure, what is tan from figure? Tan of del is equal to H by F. Okay, H is the height of the object. For example, the object is placed at infinity. Okay, so if H is equal to 1, this gives tan del is equal to 1 by F. Okay, and for small angle, that is when del is very small, very small, then we already know that then we can write tan del is nearly equal to del. This gives del is equal to 1 by f, and this del is called as the power of the lens. Okay, this del is the power of the lens. Okay, therefore power P is equal to 1 by f. So this is the formula for power of a lens. Power is equal to 1 by focal length. That means if the focal length of a lens is small, it will have more convergence power. It will converge the beam more or diverge the beam more. Okay, now SI unit of power of lens is diopter. Diopter. DIOPTRE. Diopter. Let me write it again. Diopter. Okay. So this is all about the power of a lens. In the next section, I'll be discussing about combination of thin lenses in contact. I hope you have understood regarding the power of lens. Thank you.